Well, it's morning time by this beautiful canal. The night's over, packed everything up, and I'm going to get ready to go meet Dan for breakfast. We're going to meet in a restaurant about 3 miles away. So, looking forward to a good day. I'm going to be going from here in East Rochester, New York, all the way to Newark, New York. And it's really not all that far. It's about 30 miles. So I'm looking forward to a really nice ride. So leaving Lock 33. It's going to be a good day. The weather's nice and there's no wind right now. Hope it stays that way. And I'm off for day 3. Very beautiful first thing in the morning. On your left. Morning. 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 So this morning I met Dan and both of us had a really great breakfast. We had pancakes and I'm off to get on the trail again. It was certainly a pleasure to meet Dan and thank you for breakfast.
Oh, thank you very much. It was
great to meet you.
my honor to meet you.
Same here.
Happy travels.
Thank you. So we're off again. Morning. Still a beautiful day. After that great breakfast with Dan, on my way. On your left. It's one of the prettiest sections so far along here in East Rochester and beyond. Enjoying it quite a bit. So this morning I was invited to have breakfast with Dan, and he's a subscriber to the channel. Very impressive man. He's a retired professional person, and he and his family take their health very seriously. Dan gets out and rides his bike whenever he can. So it was a very enjoyable breakfast. Thank you, Dan. Hope I see you down the road someday. Speaking of down the road, this canal trail is absolutely gorgeous. Trail turned back into gravel, just the right amount of gravel. These 2 1/4-inch tires handle it very well, so it makes for a comfortable ride. This trail is straight as long as the eye can see. Detour on the trail. Walk your bike across bridge. Single track in the middle of the park. Bridge closed, but it did say bicycles and pedestrians allowed. Beautiful waterfall behind me. Very nice. So I stopped and had a drink, and now I'm going to get on down the road. Hello. Four miles to go, and I wish it wouldn't end so early. However, I will be able to do my laundry, and that's a much needed task. Nice parking lot to enjoy the trail. I have arrived. Microtel. Hello. Good. Home for the night. Stay there. Well, it's the end of the day, and it was a very good day. I did about 32 miles today, and tomorrow I'm looking forward to getting back on the trail. I'm staying at a Microtel hotel in Newark, New York, and tomorrow I'm going to Jordan, New York, where I'm going to stay in an Airbnb before I will spend 3 nights camping. So I'm looking forward to that too. So it's been a really good trip so far. My body's holding up, no problems with my hip. Everything is going just as planned. So everybody have a good night, and I'll see you in the morning.